In this video, we're going to be talking the Canon 70-200 2.8 IS version 3 and my thoughts on it and review after using it for a few months. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, the Canon 70-200 2.8 IS version 3. This lens is awesome. I've been looking at getting this lens for a long time, and I just wanted to share some thoughts after using it for a few months and let you know how it's been working for me and what I think of it. The first thing that I did when I first got this lens was just take some shots around the house. I'll pop a few images up here on the screen. You'll see I took a shot of the moon, which I thought worked out really good. I was surprised that when I zoomed in to 200 millimeters, I was able to get a good enough shot that I could then further crop it once I got it into Lightroom and get this cool shot of the moon. So the first paid gig that I did with this lens was some headshots. And I'll pop an image or two up on the screen here of the headshots that I took. And I thought it did a great job. It focused quick. It gave great separation from the background. The lens was sharp, and I was really impressed with how well it did when shooting the portraits. The second gig that I used this lens for was a TED event at Drew University. They had a lot of speakers coming up, and I don't know if you're probably familiar with a TED event, but basically they come up and talk about different topics, and I was hired to come and photograph the event and capture images throughout the entire thing. So I'll pop some images on the screen here, and this was your classic low light situation. I need to be at 3200 ISO on my Canon 5D Mark IV in order to get these shots. This room was kind of small, although it looks bigger in the pictures, but 70 was wide enough to get almost the whole stage in there, and at 200 you could zoom in and get some nice shots of the speakers. So I was really impressed with how well it did. All the images came out sharp. I was primarily shooting at a shutter speed between 320 and 500. And I was really impressed with how clear, how sharp these images came out, and just the ability that I had to shoot in this low light situation. It worked out really well. The next gig that I had was a family photo shoot, and typically I'll use my 24-70 during my family photo shoots, but in this case I decided to put on the 70-200 and see how it worked out. I was a little worried that I might need to stay too far away from the family, being that I was only at 70 millimeters at my widest, but it really worked out great, and you'll see some images up on the screen here. It was a little drizzly out, a little rainy, but the Canon 5D Mark IV is weather sealed, and this lens is also weather sealed, and it did a great job. I had no problems with the little bit of rain and drizzle that was going on, and being that the ground was wet and everything was wet, it actually made for great pictures. So I was really impressed at how well this did. It was nice to have the reach out to 200 to capture some images of the kids while they were playing and doing their thing. So it worked out really well, and I pretty much kept on the 70-200, kept it on my camera the entire time. The next opportunity I had to use this lens at a gig was to photograph several First Holy Communions in a local church in town. And I was impressed with how well it did. I was able to stay to the sides and stay out of the way during the ceremonies themselves. And that I was able to zoom in and capture some great images without being in the way. It was nice to be off to the side. And this was your classic low light situation, and I've got some images going on the screen here that you'll see, some samples. And classic low light situation, I was at 3200 ISO on the Canon 5D Mark IV and primarily at 2.8 on this lens. And it did a great job. The images were sharp, they were clear, colors were great, and it really did a great job of helping me capture good images of the kids during their first Holy Communion. Oh, the other thing I forgot to mention is with video. It helps stabilize your video. The image stabilization in this lens is awesome. It worked in every situation that I used, and you can see it just pop in and stabilize that image as you're trying to focus either in video or in photo. So that was another awesome bonus with this lens. The Canon 70-200 2.8 IS version 3. The only downside to this lens that I've found is that it's heavy. It weighs a lot, but if you want that 2.8, that wide aperture, you want to be able to use it in low light situations, I think you got to go with the 2.8. I debated on the f4, but I just thought I'm in low light situations often, and I'm gonna need that 2.8, and I'm glad that I did. It's heavy, it wears on you a little bit after using it for a while, but maybe just gotta hit the gym a little bit more. I don't know, but I would highly recommend it. Images are awesome, lens is great, and it pairs really well with my Canon 5D Mark IV. So there you go, just some quick thoughts and a quick review on my experience with this lens. It's great. I'll leave some links in the description below if you want to go check it out. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.